Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Proton Calendar on your PC step by step. Before we begin, it's important to know that Proton Calendar is primarily accessed through the Proton web app on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. While there isn't a dedicated desktop application for most users, you can install it as a progressive web app, or PWA, for a desktop-like experience. So let's get started. First, open a supported web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, then visit the official Proton Calendar website and sign in with your Proton account. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. Next, once Proton Calendar has loaded, look for the Install App icon in the browser's address bar. If you don't see it, open the browser menu and choose Install Proton Calendar or install this site as an app, depending on your browser. Now, confirm the installation when prompted. The web app will open in its own dedicated window, giving you an experience similar to a native desktop application. You can also pin it to your taskbar or start menu for quick access. After installation, launch Proton Calendar from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Your calendars, events, and reminders will automatically sync whenever you're connected to the internet and signed in to your Proton account. Finally, enable desktop notifications if prompted so you can receive reminders for upcoming meetings, appointments, and important events directly on your PC. And that's it. You now know how to install Proton Calendar on your PC using the official web app and enjoy quick access with a desktop-style experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.